then I'll edit out whatever. Okay. All right, welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We got another flight for you today. I got Ashley on board with us. We're going to do a little flight up to Chicago, see the skyline for a little bit. We've got clouds at about 6,000 feet, so plenty of cloud cover, but nothing to interfere with our flight.
Porter County, we're next 50 Charlie going Smith. Off the runway 9, Porter County.
We've got calm winds, and it's a good day to fly, so welcome aboard and enjoy the flight.
Woo!
Porter County Traffic Warrior 303 Romeo Foxtrot, departing runway 36 to the north, Porter County.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of the screen and become a subscriber to the channel. Your support is much appreciated.
Chicago approach, Warrior 303 Romeo Foxtrot off of Valparaiso, VFR request. Good morning.
Runway 303 Romeo Foxtrot, Chicago approach, day request.
Look for flight following along the shoreline. We're going to be going along the Chicago Skyline and then about 10 miles north of that and then head back to Valparaiso for 303 Romeo Fox.
303 Romeo Foxtrot, box 5146, maintain VFR outside clouds, Bravo and Charlie, midway altimeter 3008.
Alright, 5146 on the box and we'll maintain VFR 303 Romeo Foxtrot.
Southwest.
A few minutes later, Chicago Approach advised they were unable to make radar contact, and due to the Class Bravo airspace restrictions, we were unable to fly to the Chicago Skyline as planned. We flew to the lakeshore instead for a view of the Indiana Dunes State Park.
Pretty soft landing, huh?
I would say so. Better than Southwest Airlines.
Thank you very much.